The Knowledge Transfer Partnership allowed us to work alongside ADC Bioscientific to develop a novel piece of equipment that allows us to measure plants in real time. So we can use this instrument to measure photosynthesis or carbon dioxide uptake from the plant, as well as water loss, and use this to monitor the plants in the real environment and not be affected by the instruments that we usually use for these types of measurements. So basically the idea was to make these chambers and have about 10 different plants that we could measure in real time autonomously without someone having to also be there.
Because Trace is at the forefront of global plant science research, this gives her a valuable insight into where future instrumentation techniques are heading. This has helped ADC uncover new markets where existing science can be utilised. Examples are in improving crop quality and yield, and minimising chemical and energy inputs into large-scale horticulture.
The KTP programme allowed us to hire an associate that was able to then bring the biology and the technology together in a business context, and ultimately the end goal was to produce a bit of bespoke equipment that we can then use in the lab for our research. So we can use that to then examine plant productivity and hopefully improve plants in a changing environment using this piece of novel kit. So that's really exciting research for the future. I would strongly encourage anyone interested in doing a KTP to get in touch with our KTP team here at Essex. They're absolutely brilliant for helping you to not only to set the grant up or to apply for the grant, but also managing it afterwards. And it's an amazing experience working on a KTP, different to any other grant that I've worked on. So working directly with industry, together building bits of novel kit that can really help us to address real world challenges is really exciting. And I'm really looking forward to continuing that in the future.